I really hope that it's there.
All over your mouth.
I just got this Makona liquid espresso.
Do these people not have jobs? Like, none of them have a job. Cesar was in line. So, hello. We are standing in a line. It's basically a dancela in Melbourne. Like, we never do this, but we're doing it today. We are currently standing in Joey's Donuts line. Today's donut day, so they're giving free donuts. We're not even donut fans like that. No, we only like Krispy Kreme original glaze, but we're doing it for the vibes and the happiness.
Yeah. Krispy Kreme we are going to get anyway later on.
Yeah. This might be our first and last time doing this, so
Yes.
we're going to embrace today and have fun.
We got a cinnamon sugar and an original glaze. It's so soft. It's like a pillow. Oh my gosh, this is so good.
Saying it once again, Krispy Kreme, you are nowhere.
Huh?
Krispy Kreme.
Where is this? Oh my god. It's more doughy than Krispy Kreme, but in the best way possible. Oh my god.
We are on the way to Dough. I think it's pronounced DOH, and they're giving Earl Grey donuts. So I'm gonna try that. That will be my first time. What about yours?
First time.
So we're gonna go do that first, and then we will meet you there. We are now in the line for Dough donuts. It's actually insane. It's going around the block there, and it's behind here. So we don't even know if we'll get it, but hopefully. You people are like literally sitting on the floor. This is so funny. Like, we would never do something like this, but it's just for the YouTube video. We don't even like love donuts, as I mentioned. So, like, we're standing here wondering, like, do these people not have jobs? Like, none of them have a job to be here at 10 o'clock in the morning. Cesar was in line. So, we were delusional too. Like, it literally goes this way and then inside, and there's like a long line. But guys, what the hell? If we have hope in life, these people, I don't know what they have. Like, we're still in line, guys. What the hell? It's going round and
the
round.
mulberry bush.
Ayyo. Offer a donut. If I wasn't doing this YouTube video, we wouldn't be here. It's actually better to pay and go to another donut shop. But it's fine. The fun of this is
because it's free.
yeah, and standing in line when we're the only Dumru Kattiya in an ocean full of
Yes.
other people.
Yeah, outside.
Finally. Imagine we go all the way there and then it's over.
No. They're still filling up
Excuse
the
me,
trays.
brother. The Grey Donut. All over your mouth.
It's so soft. Time to try. Yum. Not sweet at all, no?
It's like Earl Grey, like the tea as well. It's not strong, no?
No, absolutely delicious.
How much did you rate Joey's donut?
9 out of 10.
This?
10 out of 10.
Okay, I would give that 9 and this 7.
Really? Really? I love this one.
This is really soft. But I feel like it's lacking a bit of Earl Grey flavor, no? It's a nice cream donut.
Yeah.
Can you taste the Earl Grey a lot? No, no?
That
If I
piece is
close
enough.
my eyes on it, I would not know it's Earl Grey.
But it's enough. The cream is so good.
I thought you would not like this donut.
Yeah, that's what I also thought.
We just came to Market Lane and got coffee beans for Aya to take home. Last and final donut.
What the hell?
You like it?
Yeah.
Nothing like the other. No?
Hello. We came to drink coffee. We needed it after our little sweet treats. Not so little, actually quite big. No? We have one more place we want to go to, which is none other than Krispy Kreme. Can't eat also, but before that we have to get something savory, I think. Or we first get that and then eat something savory. Good coffee though. Anyway, Pimple is pimpling. How to do? The people here were really nice. So I recommend that you come and try it out. It's called... What is this called? Really? My card got declined thrice. I had money in it, but I think it's because I had cancelled the card for a little while and not activated on my phone. And he said like, oh, take a seat, make yourself at home, and we bring you the coffee first. Like, that's so nice. So yeah. And that service would make me come over and over again. We went shopping at Aldi for so many things. We had to get a Uber. Bought unnecessary things which are kind of necessary. If you really think about it, they are necessary. So, going home now. Good morning. We just came to Mr. Summit to get a toasty and a coffee. We've been waiting here for a good 2 minutes. It's too long. We got 2 toasties and 2 coffees. Yes. There are 2 toasties. I think that's us. Is it coming here? Ooh, I think it's coming here. I think so. Okay. We got a ham and cheese toasty and then something called the Alps, which is salami, black olives, pesto, cheese, sun-dried tomato, and they have like rock salt here on the side of the plate, which makes it so good. And they have this deal where if you buy 2 toasties, you get the coffee free. I mean, if you get a toasty, you get a coffee free. So a toasty and a coffee comes to $10. Cheers. Now we need to put something in the stomach, no? Wasn't supposed to rain. What the hell? We just came to Hector's Deli to get that Tres Leches donut. The line is lining. But yeah, I really hope that it's there. Sadly, they didn't have the donut. We were supposed to go to the kiosk or the bakery, which I didn't read. So that wasn't there, but then we got to recommend a toaster to the boy at the back of us who was like, so hopefully he enjoys. I'm so sad, guys. The Tres Leches was over. Like, I'm genuinely really sad because we went to 2 places to find it and it's just sold out. But we got an apple fritter instead. Came to Mecca on Burke Street to get the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush setting spray. Hello, where am I showing? This is actually so nice. It's the first time by trying it, but it's so pretty. It makes your skin so glowy. So you check that out if you want a good setting spray. It was supposed to be cloudy and sunny, but yeah, that's not happening. And I'm gonna take everything we bought, plunk it at home, and then go continue our shopping. I just got this Moccona liquid espresso. I got it in dark roast. I'm gonna try it because before I got my Nespresso machine and I fully got into like proper espresso, like coffee from the coffee bean itself, I used to drink Moccona, the instant coffee. So let's try. I always do extra ice because that way the ice melts slower and the milk is less, so your coffee is stronger. Try this. Ooh, it smells nice. Pour that in. That's about 150. A bit more. I made a chocolate cold foam. I use that. It's a mix of Cadbury cocoa powder and Cadbury hot chocolate, like the drinking chocolate. Looks amazing. I feel like it doesn't look strong, but let's see the taste. I think I could do 2. We drink our coffees pretty strong, so I think if you're a person like us, you would want 2 shots. Because how many milliliters is this? Oh, it's 20 milliliters. Yeah, so definitely not enough, because normally when we have a straight up espresso shot, that's 30 milliliters per shot and we do 2, so that's 60 ml. This might be a bit like stronger because it's concentrated, but I think for someone like us, 2 packets would be ideal. 2 sachets is needed.